your arms out straight. Woo! You're about the sign of a peregrine falcon.
There comes the Joseph bird. That's the owl bird.
That's the owl.
Do the owl call where you didn't get the picture.
You do it.
All right, John David, look at me. Where are we? At Callaway Gardens. What are we gonna see now?
The bird of prey.
Birds of prey. Are you excited? All right. Good job, buddy.
My name is Megan. I'll be with y'all for the next half hour as we dive into the world of raptors. So if y'all have been to our program before, I'd like to welcome you back. If this is your first time with us, I would like to welcome you, but also give you an idea as to what's about to go down here today. We don't want to take anyone by surprise.
You gotta figure it out, brother. Figure out where you're going.
So we don't want to do that to you. So do be fully prepared to meet some wild raptors up close and personally as they take to the wing throughout the program, soaring around the amphitheater and flying over the top of your heads, literally by inches. They might squeeze between you and your neighbors, so it should be a fun, exciting time all the way around. So, to be blunt, if you are afraid of birds, this is not the place to be, okay? They're going to get very close, but they are not targeting you. Do know that. You are not a mouse. So, continent today. So red-tailed hawks like Tilden are also the largest hawk species that live in Georgia on a year-round basis. So this is another reason why a lot of people will recognize them over some of the other local species of hawks that we have also. Some of our more medium-sized hawk species, you might be familiar with red-shouldered hawks, Cooper's hawks, sharp-shinned hawks, and broad-winged hawks. All of these raptors are going to call our region home. But red-tailed hawks, once again, are very well known because they are the biggest. They're also kind of the boldest in a sense of comfortability, right? No other hawk that is smaller than them looks at them like a flying slider with wings, right? So they really don't sit on the dinner menu of many other predators, including other raptors. So this is a bird that you might find freely sitting out in the open, maybe on an exposed telephone pole or on a very tall tree, overlooking an open field or pasture, looking for their favorite food items down below. What do y'all think that is if you're a red-tailed hawk? Mice and other rodents. In fact, this bird can eat about 1,500 mice every single year off of your property, making him, like all birds of prey, incredibly beneficial to every habitat on the planet today. Now, you guys, I think Tilden did a great job kicking off the program. How'd y'all enjoy meeting him today? Predatory birds gives the youngsters a better chance at survival because what this means is that you can go after and incorporate different size prey items on your kid's dinner menu.
What do you think?
The smaller, yet because of his size.
Tell me what's happening.
Look at these. The butterflies are hot. Oh, one fell down.
Okay, tell me what happens. What are these things called up here?
Cocoons.
Is it a cocoon or what else do you call them? Is it a chrysalis?
Chrysalis.
Good job, dog. All right, butterflies are all emerging, aren't they?
Yeah.
So they come out
Including the big one.
of the chrysalis and they pump their wings up and then they can fly around. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
All right, y'all ready to go see some butterflies?
I thought you were supposed to jump on the glass.
All right, here we go. That's
Yeah, you got it.
where to go, Rose? Don't grab them by the wings. Where is it? I'm trying to eat.
Why did you knock it?
Off the little frogs in that water.
Oh, cool. Pitcher plants.
The frogs will eat the butterflies, though, wouldn't they? That's why there won't be any frogs.
Look at all the butterflies we have. So we are getting ready to do the Callaway Garden Fantasy in Lights, as it were. And everyone is chowing down on some food. I mean, they have this place set up quite well, quite well. Food trucks, well, not necessarily trucks, but stalls of various fashion. A big Christmas market. And pretty much anything your heart desires. We're all having a great time. All right, we're at Callaway Gardens and we're going on the Christmas lights. Are we ready? Johnny, are you gonna get cold? Hey, what do you think about it all, John John? Is it fun?
Fun.
Say, I love Callaway Gardens.
I love Callaway Gardens.
Good job, buddy.
Cooking.
It's gonna hit us with snow, Joe. Hey Iris, what do you think about all this? Is it fun?
He did good till he got to the ice crystals.
I can't get him.
Stick it thing out there.